Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this little rechargeable LED light that I'm getting ready to install in my closet here. I'm excited about this because on the other side of me over here is my kid's bedroom. So we've got this main closet here where we all need access to it outside of our bathroom that's over the other side of me behind my camera. But sometimes my kids will be in bed and I'll be trying to tiptoe around and not turn on all the extra lights and stuff to not wake them up. I might need a light in this closet, so I'm excited to install this thing so I can have something to brighten up this closet when I need to see, but also not disturb them. So just grab this thing out of the package here. Sorry if I'm being a little quiet now. I'm actually trying not to wake him up. It's an easy install. It comes with the USB to USB-C charger. Here's the light strip. It does have a button on the end, so you can see the brightness is there, and just a magnet on the back. And then for the installation part of it, looks pretty simple. You just have this little double-sided sticky tape guy here, so peel that off, and I'm just gonna stick it right about here. I think you can see it. Stick that there. It says to wait 24 hours, but this thing is super light, so I'm sure it's okay to go ahead and stick it up there now. So, and it just cradles right in there like that. And then it looks like, so you can turn it either direction, and then you can see how bright it is. So I'm going to turn off this hallway light next to me so you can see how dark it actually is right here. And now we can see how much light I get inside the closet. So it does brighten that up quite a bit, especially on these upper shelves here. Still a little dark on the bottom ones, as to be expected. I mean, it's sitting back there, so might be better if I were to put it on the side wall over here or something. But for me, I think this is plenty bright enough. It gives just enough for me to be able to see a little bit without turning on this main light and disturbing the kids. So I am really excited about that. I'm really happy about it. Obviously, I don't know how long the battery lasts on a single charge yet, but I don't imagine it. It doesn't seem like it pulls a bunch of power. So I'm excited about it and I'm happy to have it. And I think it's definitely worth the money so far.